MiG-41, also known as the PAK DP program, is one of the most mysterious and ambitious projects in modern military aviation. Russia aims to replace its legendary MiG-41 interceptors with a jet that can dominate the skies well into the future. According to available information, the MiG-41 is designed to be an interceptor that pushes the limits of speed, altitude, and advanced weaponry beyond anything currently flying. This aircraft is not just an upgrade. Really, it is a leap into the next generation of air defense. The MiG-41 is expected to reach extreme speeds, potentially between Mach 4 and Mach 5. At such hypersonic performance, the aircraft will be able to intercept hypersonic missiles and high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft that other jets simply cannot reach. This speed places the MiG-41 among the fastest jets ever created. Pilots and engineers expect that the aircraft may incorporate new propulsion systems, including a combination of turbojet and ramjet engines to sustain hypersonic flight. Beyond speed, the MiG-41 is designed to operate at very high altitudes, possibly near space levels. Reports suggest that it could intercept targets in near space orbit, including satellites and stealth drones flying at extremely high altitudes. This capability would provide Russia with a strategic advantage in defending its territory and monitoring threats coming from space or long-range surveillance platforms. Stealth technology is another huge advancement. While the MiG-31 is not a stealth aircraft, the MiG-41 is rumored to have a very small radar cross-section. It might include advanced composite materials and special coatings designed to absorb or scatter enemy radar signals. The aircraft's shape is likely sharp and futuristic to keep radar reflections minimal while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency at hypersonic speeds. Weaponry is an essential part of this platform. Early reports indicate that the MiG-41 may be armed with long-range air-to-air missiles capable of destroying hypersonic weapons and distant aerial targets. Some sources even claim the jet may carry laser weapons in the future, specifically designed to destroy enemy satellites or disable stealth aircraft. Russia may also install advanced electronic warfare systems to jam and confuse enemy radars long before the MiG-41 itself is detected. Another exciting feature being discussed is unmanned capability. The MiG-41 might fly both with a pilot on board and as a fully autonomous drone. This flexibility in operations gives Russia more options, especially for dangerous missions near space, altitudes, or in heavily defended airspace. With artificial intelligence controlling flight systems, the aircraft would remain stable even while flying at hypersonic speeds.